Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Dr. Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, we focus on what Nigerian businesses are saying, key insights from the CBN September 2025 report. This week, we will focus on the Central Bank of Nigeria's September 2025 Business Expectations Survey, highlighting what Nigerian businesses are experiencing and what investors should be aware of. The survey, conducted between 5th and 9th September 2025, achieved an impressive response rate of over 97% from 1,900 business enterprises across the country. The results show a sharp rise in business confidence as more firms anticipate a stable and improving macroeconomic environment. Key highlights. 1. Overall business confidence still positive. The Business Confidence Index (BCI) stood at 31.5 points in September 2025, a significant increase from 20.7 points in June 2025. This indicates renewed optimism amongst Nigerian businesses, driven by relative exchange rate stability, easing supply bottlenecks, and better access to inputs. Firms also anticipate confidence to rise further to 40.8 points over the next 6 months. This suggests the business environment is improving and many companies are already preparing for expansion. Investment tip. A rising confidence index often signals upcoming stronger corporate performance. This is an ideal moment to spot undervalued stocks in sectors demonstrating operational momentum. 2. Sectoral performance. Services and industry lead the pack. All sectors showed optimism in September, with the services sector leading at the Business Confidence Index of 32.5 points, followed closely by agriculture 30.6 points and industry 30 points. Expectations are even more positive for the coming months. Confidence is forecast to rise sharply across sectors, reaching above 49 index points within 6 months. This surge is supported by improving demand, stable FX, and renewed government capital spending. Investment tip. The services sector, especially ICT, finance, and logistics, remain the most resilient and adaptable. Investors should keep an eye on the companies leveraging digital channels and service efficiency to sustain growth. 3. Regional trends. Northeast leads, Southeast lags. Regionally, optimism varies across Nigeria. The Northeast remains the most optimistic region at 48.7 index points, supported by reconstruction and agricultural recovery efforts. The Southeast, however, recorded over 7.3 points, primarily due to insecurity and logistical disruptions. Investment tip. Businesses and investors in Southeast should concentrate on digital and remote-based models that are less susceptible to physical security risks. Meanwhile, the Northeast continues to present opportunities in agriculture and light manufacturing. 4. Business confidence by sector and activity. Business optimism rose across all sectors in September. The non-market services, government or non-profit institutions sector led with 27.8 points, followed by construction 26.3, mining and quarrying 25, and agriculture 23.4. Confidence was lower in market services 20.9 and manufacturing 15.1 due to ongoing cost and credit pressures. Among selected indicators, the volume of total orders 21.4 and business activity 16.8 showed positive growth, although credit access 3.7 remained limited. Looking ahead, firms expect increased activity 38.6 points next month, rising to 50.5 points in 6 months, signaling broad optimism and a gradual economic recovery. Investment tip. Growing confidence in services and construction indicates opportunities in digital, logistics, and infrastructure-related sectors, while manufacturing may recover as financing conditions get better. 5. Employment and expansion outlook brightening. Firms plan to hire more workers and expand operations over the next 6 months. The mining and quarrying 84.6 and construction 75 sectors are leading in this regard, with the volume of business activity index indicating growth expectations for October, December 2025 and March 2026. Investment tip. Entrepreneurs and HR firms should prepare for rising labor demand. Investors can also look out for companies expanding capacity, as these technically outperform in recovery phases. 6. Exchange rate and borrowing costs. Businesses anticipate a slight appreciation in the naira in the coming months, alongside stable borrowing rates that may begin to decrease by early 2026. This indicates increasing confidence in central banks' monetary policy direction. Investment tip: businesses should secure medium-term loans now before rates decline further. Investors may also consider bank stocks, which could benefit from a rebound in credit growth once rates ease. 7. Major business constraints. Despite the optimism, familiar challenges persist, including insecurity with a score of 73.8 points, high interest rates at 72.9 points, high taxes at 71.5 points, and poor infrastructure and power supply, which scored 62 points. Investment tip: businesses may mitigate these risks by investing in solar power, improving logistics, and adopting digital tools to boost efficiency. 8. Capacity utilization on the rise. Average capacity utilization slightly increased to 60.4% in September, up from 58.1% in August 2025. This indicates improved productivity and rising output, particularly in manufacturing and agriculture. Investment tip: rising utilization frequently leads to increased profitability. Investors should focus on companies that are enhancing efficiency and expanding operations. Policy and economic implications. The September 2025 survey confirms that Nigerian businesses are more optimistic and forward-looking than they were in the first half of the year. With confidence improving, employment rising, and business activity expanding, the economy is showing signals of a gradual recovery. To maintain the momentum, the CBN and government should: 1. Maintain FX stability and support access to credit for productive sectors. 2. Enhance security and logistics infrastructure. 3. Reduce tax pressure on businesses to encourage expansion. In summary, the increase in business confidence to 31.5 points indicates renewed optimism in Nigeria's economy. Sectors such as services, construction, and manufacturing are driving the growth. For investors, it serves as a reminder that even during challenging times, opportunities exist for those who stay informed and adopt a long-term perspective. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send an SMS to 07082463747. Stay blessed, have a great week, and bye.